Now I will continue explaining basic Java concepts with the help of the Hello World code. As I mentioned before, the keyword class declares a new Java class. Declare here means that the class definition is created during compilation. As we already know, a Java class that we want to declare needs a name, and this name must be placed right after the keyword class. In our Hello World code, the class name is main. However, a name alone is not enough. A class also needs what we call the body of a class, or the class body. The class body is a fragment or block of code that describes the nature, structure and behavior of the class we want to create. The class body must be put inside curly braces. The opening brace is placed right after the name of the class. The closing brace is put at the very end of the code that declares the class. Now we have switched to an online interactive development environment, IDE. You will find a hyperlink to this IDE in the description of this video. As you can see, if I place the cursor on the opening curly brace, the matching closing one is automatically highlighted. Any code between the opening and the closing curly braces after the name of the class is called the class body. Now I will compile and execute the code by clicking the Run button. The result, as expected, is the text Hello World in the console. But what will happen if I erase, let's say, the closing curly brace? Congratulations, this is your first Java error message. It says, reached end of file while parsing. Error messages in Java and in many other programming languages are often awkward and not very informative. You will have to get used to that. This particular message means that the Java compiler was expecting a closing curly brace, but reached the end of the file instead.